Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Okay, I have the Desert Sunset Stamping Polish collection to show you today from Twinkled Tea. I am their Australian stockist and these will be coming to my store imminently. I have them in stock, I just have to pop them up on the store, so Aussie customers only. If you want these, stay tuned, these will be in my store very shortly. So I'm just going to do some swatches for you today to show you how they stamp. So I've got 6, and from left to right, this first one is what looks like a beautiful grey, and that's called Ghosted, followed by a lovely gold, which is called Liquid Gold. Then there's a darker sort of charcoal grey, which is called Smokey. Then there's this one, which I'm really excited to see. This is kind of like a rose gold, I'm hoping, and it's called Dazed. Then we have a nice mid-tone pink, and that one is called Tickled. And then finally there's like a corally sort of peachy colour, and that one is called Coraline. So I'm going to get them out the boxes. I'm going to stamp. I feel like this plate would be nice, so I'm going to use some of the images. This is my Autumn 01 plate, so I'm going to use some of the images for these. I'm actually going to swatch them on these little already done swatch sticks. So I've got this colour and I've got a lovely coral colour. So these two are Ugly Duckling. So the nude colour is this one here, and it is number 110. And then the peachy colour, which is my favourite colour ever, this is number 132. So I'm going to swatch on them and I will be back at the end. Okay, all done, and I finished off with the Ugly Duckling no white top coat, no smearing. These are absolutely beautiful. I have done Dazed twice, which is the rose gold / pinky gold. It's very pink in the bottle, but I think over this one it looks more rose gold, and then over the lighter colour it is a little bit more pink. So really versatile, and it's going to sort of look different on different bases. I love these. I'm so excited to get these. If you guys follow me regularly, you know I'm a huge fan of nudes and neutral nails, so these are right up my alley. As I said, I can only send these to Australia. It very, very clearly states that in the listings on my website, so please don't order them from me if you are outside Australia. I will link the other stockists. So guys, I'm going to leave it there. Thumbs up if you like the video. If you have any comments or questions, pop them in the comments box and I'll get back to you. I will link everything I used in the video below. And please subscribe if you haven't, guys. I really appreciate your support. I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.